We fight against environmental crimes.
Welcome to Environment Friends. Today we are discussing the impact of climate change. As many as 8 islands have disappeared and 13 will disappear in the next 80 years due to rising sea levels. Gentlemen, all over the world there are several paradisial islands that are slowly flooded by the ocean and disappear from the map. Many of them are on the list of destinations of several travelers, but in the next few years they may not be an option anymore. The steady rise in the sea level is a strong threat to many destinations and their populations. Rising sea temperatures are also a worrying factor affecting coral barriers. This leads to the destruction of this ecosystem, causing coral to turn white and susceptible to disease. The mangroves are an important part of these ecosystems and they are also found. A recent study found that at least 8 islands in the Pacific Ocean have disappeared due to rising sea levels. This is a trend that has continued for several decades, with low-lying, often coral atoll islands being submerged by rising seas. Most of the islands have either reduced in size dramatically or disappeared. 13 islands that disappear in the next 80 years. These vanishing islands are Solomon Islands, Maldives, Palau, Micronesia, Fiji, Tuvalu, Seychelles, Kiribati, Cook Islands, French Polynesia, Tangier Island, Virginia, Marshall Island, and Cis Marsef Alcasa. The United Nations has also warned in its report released, a sweeping report released, projecting that without major reduction in emissions, sea levels could rise between 1.5 feet and 3 feet by 2100. According to new research published by scientific magazine Nature Communication, 200 million people in the world will live below the sea level line by 2100. An additional 160 million will be affected by higher annual flooding due to rise ocean levels. These numbers are much higher than those published in previous studies, which use different coastal elevation models and assume that only 250 million people in total would be affected by these adverse events. Out of 200 million directly affected by rising sea level, researchers estimated that 70% will live in just 8 countries in Asia. Most people affected live in China, 43 million or around 20%. At 32 million and 27 million affect people, Bangladesh and India would also be hit hard, as would be Vietnam, Indonesia, Thailand and Philippines and Japan. In Europe, the Netherlands would theoretically to be most affected. Here, more than 4 million people are expected to live below sea levels in 2100. Yet, the country has one of the most effective flood control networks in the world, not taken into account by the studies modeling. which is expected to keep citizens safe. Other countries in Europe where rising sea levels could be problem, or the UK 1.5 billion people at risk, Germany 1 million people, Turkey, France and Italy 50,000 people each. The model used in the study assumes a global average temperature increase of 2 degrees C does not take into account the possibility of accelerated ice sheet melting. Researchers expect that this is just short of opening act of the sea levels. Widespread melting of glacier and ice caps in the next, which will have way crazier impacts on the ocean than just adding water to it. More water is the obvious one, but glacier as objects of great mass actually have gravity too. They pull water towards them. As they melt, they will lose mass, and in turn lose mass of that pull. So coasts elsewhere will have to deal with expanding water, glacier meltwater and normal seawater that is not attracted to glacier as it was before. However, it's a great tragedy of the world, but however, it remains to be seen how the hundreds and billions of dollars promised through global funding models such as Green Climate Fund can support those most at need in remote communities like those in Solomon Island. Thank you very much.